from DIY Balloon Art, Balloon Utopia, and Market with Balloons. Today we are going to make a cute little doorstopper guy. I call him a doorstopper because he's not quite big enough to be a column and he's a little bit too big to be a centerpiece. So it's really kind of something that you might just throw around in different areas just to add some color and some decoration. So we are going to be making this one for our friend Olaf here. And this particular design is based on 5-packs. So as we have said before, our basic building blocks are the duplet. Well, in this case, what we have is we have a duplet, and then I have a duplet that I tied a third balloon to, which gives us a 3-pack. And when we take one duplet and one 3-pack, and we twist them together, we get a 5-pack. Okay. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to take this 5-pack. So these balloons here are inflated to about 8 inches. These balloons here are inflated to about 6 inches. So we're going to take our balloons that are inflated to 6 inches and our balloons that are inflated to about 8 inches, and we are going to twist both 5-packs together. And once you've done that, then you're going to bring your little balloons up on top and put them, see, now we have the little balloons on top, we've got our big balloons on the bottom, and what happened by us twisting them all together, we've also got little pieces of hair all over them, what happened by us twisting them together is that we get a little pocket here. And that's where we're going to put our water weight. So our water weight is 2 balloons, it's double stuffed, 2 11-inch balloons double stuffed, and then inflate it with water until it's about the size of a softball. But we'll get to the weight in just a moment. First, we want to add our third set, and these ones are about 4 inches. So for these, I'm just going to take one of the nozzles, and I'm just going to kind of figure 8 it into, there we go, camera shy. Just going to figure 8 it into this, and then I'm going to kind of set it down like this. And once again, we always want to find that sweet spot so they kind of nestle together. Okay, so here we have our little stack of the balloons that we're going to put Olaf on. All right, so now, thank you, we got our water balloon, and we've got our 260 balloon. So we're going to take our 260, and we're going to take Olaf here, and we're going to make a lark's head knot. So again, that means we're basically folding it in half, bringing our fingers around, and then pulling it up through. Or you could just tie it on if it's easier, but I find it easier to make the lark's head knot. And then we're just going to pull it straight and tighten it like that. Okay, so now we really only want to use about that much length, and we're just going to tie it to our water weight. We don't want to have it too long, because then it's going to be kind of floppy, and we really do want it to snug in to our little 5-pack here. So now all we're going to do is we're just going to take this, and we're just going to kind of stretch it. Let's do it on the side that you can see on. How's that? Let's get this all flattened again. There we go. Stay. Good balloons. All right, so we're going to take this and just stretch it and put it down in there so that it nestles in the little pocket. And there we have a cute little Olaf doorstopper thing. So here we'll put it on the ground so you can kind of see his scale. And there he is, my buddy.